Hey guys, today me and Glitch VR are going to be doing a build battle in Monkey Blocks. Best out of 3 wins. For the first round, we're just building a house. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's do this! Okay,
Right.
so I'm gonna start off. Oh, wait, no. I need this to start off with. Bring it over here. I'll place it just there. Wait, is that attached? There we go. Okay, now I need some of them. Put it there. And this one here. And put it like... Is that... Oh gosh. Oh no. What did I do? Wait, what? Oh. There. Boom. Okay, I need this one again. Now I need this one again. Now I need a 2. Now I need another one of these. Put it on top. Oh, that's looking good so far. Oh no. There. And then if I just grab 2 of them. Ah. Okay. I can just put one there. And one there. That's looking... Oh, what happened there? There. Perfect. Leave it here. Yes. Put it there. That's not too bad. Riley, how's it coming along?
Great.
It's coming along great. That's great.
Got multiple.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that's actually looking really good. There you go.
I grind on Minecraft.
Oh no. Minecraft Pro. I need some more walls. And then I need this one here.
Kitchen cap.
And I need this one. And this one. One there. And then one there. And then, no, I've got one thing. I need them. Let's put one there. And now I'm gonna need a big side here. Oh, recycle. Never mind, he can recycle. If I can just put that there, perfect. And then this here. And then... Are you nearly done?
I wonder when they're done.
Oh gosh. Yeah, it might be a rug actually. Okay. Inside it goes. But I can't really see where it's at. So if I can just... Oh god. No. Okay, I just gotta guess where it's at. There it is. There we go. My hands are stuck. Made it. Okay. So that's like a nice little area. And then that. Oh. That needs to be there. Perfect. Now I'll get one of them. Actually, I'll get 2. Where's another one? Is there another one here? Guess not. Is anything? Nothing's respawning anymore. Oh. That's not very good.
Grabbing it from.
I think that's alright. There's nothing to put anywhere. There we go. I think mine is done. Is yours done?
I have.
I'm going to assume that yours is not done.
It's not done.
Oh god.
Hey.
We forgot to set a time rule. No.
What time rule?
Okay. I guess we're just gonna cut until he's done. Did you just say that you're finally done? How long was that?
5 minutes at most, right? Go small. House.
Yeah, sure, 5 minutes. Well, I think we should take screenshots of both of our houses, and then we can send it to the judge, I guess.
Yep.
I'm gonna test out mine before we send it out to the judges. So we got lower layer. Oh, yes. Nice fluffy bed that springs you extremely high for no reason. And then you got up here where you can just jump to anyway. And then this is kind of just look out at the disgusting neighbor's house. And then out here, the beautiful place that built this, the beautiful things. And now I'm gonna check out yours if that's okay.
Yeah. Difficult to clean. Yeah, massive hole in the street now.
Oh no. You sound so funny with the deep voice thingy. Oh, you got some apples. Oh wait, what? I didn't know apples did that. Okay.
Kitchen. Fridge. Go to plates.
Oh, looks very nice. Mine's got a bed. Yeah. Yeah, it's got a bed.
This is my bed. Kyle.
I thought that was a bouncy castle. So for the next round, what we're going to be building is we're going to be building a gun. I'm going to start off... Oh yeah, and you can't take too long this time. We learnt that from our previous mistake.
Take that one.
That there. Wait, I just realised we're building it on our arms, aren't we? That there. And then... that there. Okay, not too bad. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh wait, I know what I've done wrong. I need just like this. There we go, and then this one. Perfect. Now on top of that, I'm gonna have this on like that, and actually wait no, like that. And then I kind of need like a trigger down here, don't I? I know. If I just put that like there. That's pretty good. Okay. Oh gosh. Like that? No. I've lost it. Okay, there we go. Right, now I need this one going... Actually wait, no. I kinda need it to get a bit smaller now. And that there. I don't know if that looks like a gun really, but it's definitely something. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna...
Right over here.
Um,
Oh,
how? Yeah, okay. I'm just not done with mine. Trust the process, bro. That's all it is. Trust the process.
Kind of.
Okay, so if I just like put a little scope on the end, like, boom, and now I can. Oh wait, no. No, I'm gonna have to put it like there, right? That still looks pretty good. I'll have to take it off my arm, I just realised at the end. Oh gosh, this is not going to end up very well. What have I made? That is not a gun. Nah. Okay, let's make some improvements.
Good anymore. Go.
If I put... Where is it? This one here, I can kind of... I kind of join them together now. Where did it go? There we go. Now, that there. Perfect, look at that. The geniusness. Ah. And then put it in kind of just like there. Okay. It's not quite as bad as it was before. I think, as much as I already know I've lost, I think I'm done.
Fighting chance.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, we're already done. I think that was the fastest one.
Right.
Okay guys, so the last one that we're going to be doing is a famous place that's in real life. Let's do it. I'm going to start off...
If I can remember what the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Of course you're doing the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Yeah.
And then, if I kind of just grab a few of them. I just found out the ultimate hack to save in time. Put that there, that there. Just need one of them. Oh, I'm lagging. Why am I lagging so hard right now? Okay, I think I've got the base done. I'll just keep doing that. That's probably the most efficient way of doing such things for this build. Ah. Oh, well that wasn't a very efficient way.
Yeah. You have like your arm.
I can hear you now. I can hear you now. You like
You
glitched
have
out
your
from it.
arms if you want blocks.
Huh?
You can put the blocks on your arms.
Oh yeah, that's smart. Okay, right. So I'm going to put them down like this because I'm keep going around. Now I know there's an opening somewhere. At least I think there is. So I'm gonna leave an opening here and like to there. Because I'm not 100% sure, but like, and my brain's like, you gotta know that's right. Because my brain is always braining.
Yeah.
But there's one problem that I have encountered. Up there. There we go. That's what I need. I think I probably need them. My calculations have... They've indeed deceived me. I needed... No, I need 2. Huh?
Great.
Ooh. Yours does look pretty good.
Like a thing and then pillars.
Where? Oh! Wow, that actually looks pretty good. Okay, I think... I'm gonna start off with a big one. Why am I lagging so much? Okay. I think my old tactic is still better. Got so many windows. PC user with Windows. That was a horrible joke. Perfect. Okay. Now let's just stack them on top of each other. Boop.
Walk to you.
And then... I think that actually looks horrible. That actually looks very extremely bad. I think I found a way to kind of fix it. Oh no, all I needed was that one. Okay. And then that's there.
We both went.
Yo, what? How does that even happen? Look. How does...
Gorilla tag magic.
Oh. It's not as hard as I thought. Over here, I can grab that one and that one. I can... Oh. I just grab both. No? Okay. There. Perfect. It's... beautiful-ish, nearly. If I just, like...
Mine doesn't look that great.
This kid! There we go.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Yeah, I think-
Bye.
I think I am too. Perfect. Yeah, I think I'm done.
Okay, so we just.
I think we should take screenshots. And then we can send them off to the judge. And then I'll show on screen whatever the results are. So as you can see here, on the first round I won. Unfortunately on the second round he won, which I kind of expected. The last one that would decide it all, I thankfully won, so that means I win. And also, Riley left a outro for me, since I had to go, so just prepare yourselves.
The Zooms had to go, but I'm here, I'm amazing, so I'm doing the outro for him. He won somehow. You heard him himself say I won. I think the judges were biased, so why don't you comment on his or my video? He better tag me, just to say who you think really won, which is me, obviously. Alright. Cool.